In the last year alone, 1,400 Virginians have lost their lives to drug overdoses. Now the Commonwealth is stepping up the fight against heroin abuse and opioid addiction. Today, Attorney General Mark Herring unveiled new initiatives his office will focus on, and Mike Gooding joins us now with more. Mike.
Well, and Janet, when he talks about the issue, Mark Herring uses words like crisis and epidemic. Today, he found a receptive audience at the Virginia Association of Chiefs of Police conference in Virginia Beach.
Well, it's the crisis that we're facing is really heartbreaking. When you talk to a family member who's lost a loved one, you know, they talk about how wonderful the person was that they've lost, but then they also say they never thought it could happen to them. And the truth is, it can happen to anyone. These drugs are so addictive.
Virginia Attorney General Mark Herring outlined new programs and initiatives to fight the heroin and opioid crisis in the state. Before the Virginia Association of Chiefs of Police conference in Virginia Beach, the Democrats said the proposals will be incorporated into a multifaceted approach that includes enforcement, education, and prevention. So
while we have stepped up our prosecutions against dealers and traffickers who are bringing in these dangerous drugs like heroin and fentanyl and profiting off addiction, we've taken prosecutions to record levels. There is so much more that we've got to do in prevention, in education, in treatment, recovery.
The plan also includes legislation to encourage reporting of overdoses in progress, expanding the availability of naloxone, and expanding access to prescription monitoring programs. Much has already been done, he said, but much more still must be done.
We want every family in Virginia to be having this conversation right now.
And I did reach out to the campaign of Herring's Republican opponent, John Adams. The campaign noted that fatal opioid overdoses have increased 66% in the state during the time that Mark Herring has been in office. In a statement to 13 News Now, Adams said Virginia needs real leadership on this issue, not additional politics just before an election. We have a link to Adams's plan on our website, 13newsnow.com. Reporting live, Mike Gooding, 13 News Now.